first today. Hi, Phyllis. Thank you for having us. My name is Kahlow. I'm CEO and founder of 6sense. We are big data, predictive intelligence engine for sales. We predict sales. We live in this world of incredible expectation with big data and with predictive. But I challenge that the world that we live in of moving from silos to all the n-dimensional multi-segmentation, deep dive attribution analysis is not enough. It's still looking backward on data and having to make subjective decisions based on that data. I challenge that we need to expect that we can move to a world where we can take the humans out, where data can drive our business, where data can grow our business. What could be more valuable than predicting sales and growing your business? That's what 6sense does. The fundamental challenge for B2B marketers today is that 60 to 90% of their buyers are making their decision before they get into your CRM and into your marketing automation systems. How do we get in front of those buyers when they're in buying mode and in that process before they make it down the pipe? Imagine a world where you can predict with 80% accuracy who your next customer is, what they're going to buy, when they're going to buy, how much they're going to buy, how to talk to them, find them the right channel with the right message. Imagine a world where you can find that 60 to 90% of buyers when they're actually in buying mode and doing their purchasing decisions, not after they get into your marketing automation and you lead for them. Imagine finding them when they're actually doing their research before they raise their hand, before they fill out your form and get into your CRM system. Well, obviously I'm here today to tell you that's a reality for 6sense customers. I am thrilled to say that we're using this stage to announce that we raised $12 million from Battery and Bedrock to continue our vision forward. And I'm a really big believer that you don't talk about something until you have results. So we've been operating in stealth mode for over a year. We have customers Cisco, CBS Interactive, Pure Storage, NetApp, 9 other B2B enterprise companies. Our results, one customer reported $300 million in net new business based on our results. $38 million of net new qualified opportunities found in just a 1-month pilot. A 450x increase in marketing sales qualified for conversions and leads. We believe that we're changing the game for sales and marketing. That we can get in front of that data. We use time-sensitive behavioral data. We use our customers' data, a combination of web, CRM, marketing automation, with a ton of third-party data. So we have relationships with 4,500 B2B publisher sites, blogs, communities, forums, capturing that activity so we can see buyers when they're in market to buy. We can look at their activity and see that they're going to buy now. They're not just a profile of the right buyer, which is what Lead Story does. We see that they're actually researching products in your space now, and we make these predictions. So I'm going to end on an anecdotal story of how 6sense got formed and where we came from. So I ran and I owned a services company for 14 years. Cisco's been a customer for 10 years. 5 years ago, I had this idea. We were doing what we call multi-channel analytic consulting before big data was hot and sexy. And so we had this idea that we could take the data and tie it together and predict sales. I was delivering the results to executives at Cisco, and I was showing them, here are the predictions. And one executive stopped me and he said, Amanda, do you realize what you're doing right now? And I thought, and I said, sure, I'm predicting your sales. He said, no. If you know when our customers are going to buy before our customers know that they're going to buy. So you know that they have a need right now for our product, and our product meets their needs. This is a perfect ideal buyer that we should be talking to. This is where we should be focusing our efforts. Given time is almost up, I will show you the results. The idea is that the data goes into all the downstream sales and marketing systems, and it makes all of your existing systems smarter. So we're not about our pretty cool, sexy interface, even though we do have a sexy interface and a very today forward-thinking technology backend. But it's really about going into ad network, CRM, marketing automation, and getting smarter. So with that, thank you. And yeah.
All right.